this super cool dinosaur thingy which you can make chocolates out of?
Ma. Ow.
And I'm showing you more paper. See, remember this the toy we are talking about? Has its it's kind of scary. Like a interactive kind of thing. And both of them fight. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Are you